Swati, let me just give you the visuals of the farmer tractor rally that is starting from Palwal Expressway towards Kundli, which will be marching towards Ghazipur, where Rakesh Tiket and along with his leaders are present. And this is the kind of strength you can see there. They say that there are approximately 500 to 700 tractors which are here at the rally. Sir, कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे, कितने रैली है, क्या आपकी?
एक्सपेक्टेड हमारा 1000 ट्रैक्टर्स का था, लेकिन अभी हमारे पास 750 के करीब ट्रैक्टर पहुँच चुका है और 250 का ट्रैक्टर पीछे आ रहा है अभी भी। और ये हमारा गाजियाबाद बॉर्डर तक का मार्च है। हाँ, गाजीपुर बॉर्डर तक के लिए है, क्योंकि मोदी मान तो रहे नहीं है। अब देखते हैं कि इसके बाद क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है, क्या प्रभाव।
सर, आपको लगता है आप आगे तक पूरा मार्च कर पाएंगे? ये आपकी पहली रिहर्सल है, आपको लगता है आप आगे तक मार्च कर पाएंगे?
करेंगे, जरूर करेंगे, जरूर जाएंगे और अपनी बात सरकार तक करेंगे।
So that you can see, that's the kind of preparation that is taking place. सर, आपको लगता है आप आगे तक जा पाएंगे? ये आपकी पहली ट्रैक्टर रैली है।
आएगी।
आप क्या प्लानिंग करके जा रहे हैं?
अरे तो जा रहा हूँ दिल्ली जाके अब तो।
So that you can see there are approximately 700 tractors that are marching towards the Ghazipur Expressway, and there are thousands of farmers on these tractors and trucks who are marching, and this is going to be the first tractor rally. So remember, Swati, this is just a parade. This is just a rehearsal parade that is taking place before the 26th of January, and the entire expressway will be filled with tractors and people and farmer union leaders from Haryana. And the police is trying to manage the entire situation here. That's the Haryana police taking control of the situation, so that they only take half of the expressway and the half is
stopping these farmers from carrying out the tractor rally. Kangana, stay on with us. Let me also go across to Parbina. We also have Mohit Sharma joining us on the broadcast now. Parbina, what is the latest that's happening from where you're reporting, which is at the Ghazipur border? More and more farmers, moving towards the national capital ahead of the next round of talks, which is going to take place tomorrow.
Well, Swati, let me tell you now, while we were tracking the tractors of this rally and we have reached the Eastern Peripheral Highway, we have entered that, and let me show you these visuals to our viewers as to what we are seeing now. They've stopped in between now as they entered the expressway. They had a small snacks kind of a thing. They distributed gajar ka halwa. They distributed food among themselves. Their leader, Rakesh Tiket, who stopped here, spoke with media and energized his fellow farmers once again, saying that this is just the beginning and we'll have to march forward. And they said that nothing will stop them. Remember, Rakesh Tiket just shared it with us that they are all prepared. They will appear for all the dates that the government will give them for discussion. But the protest will not stop. The various constitutional ways which they can adopt, they will, and they will keep protesting and marching. What we have been seeing all these days, Swati, is that, how systematic their makeshift arrangement has been and how prepared they are for this protest, because they know this will not get over anytime soon. Similarly, what we're seeing today in this march also, that how prepared they are and how they're following some sense of discipline, and of course authorities who are also on ground is ensuring that everything goes smooth and nothing untoward happens, and hence everything has been going in a smooth way so far. We have entered the Eastern Peripheral Highway, and just ahead they'll enter Dashna, and
all
from
right, but
there
stay on with us. I have other reporters also on standby. Before that, we have a reaction coming in from Mr. Rakesh Tiket. Let's listen in.
पिछली बार बात हुई है, उसके बाद भी आप लोग और मजबूत हो गए और बड़ा कर रहे हैं, तो उससे क्या आप लोगों का आगे का रोड मैप रहेगा, क्योंकि बात तो अभी भी सुलझी नहीं।
और हम कहाँ सुलझा रहे बात, अभी जब सरकार सुलझाओगी सुलझा लेगी, इसे बंद करेंगे दिल्ली को चारों तरफ से। इसमें हवाई सर्विस तक काम चलाना पड़ेगा ही ना। अब एयरपोर्ट तो दिल्ली के अंदर ही है ना, और दिल्ली के बाहर भी है। अपना सप्लाई उनसे करो, आना जाना वो करेंगे।
वो जो बोल रहे क्लॉज बाय क्लॉज को चेंज करेंगे, पर पूरा लॉ को विड्रॉ करना नामुमकिन है। आप लोग क्यों क्लॉज बाय क्लॉज को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे?
ना करते नहीं, हम उसे एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते। क्लोज तो क्लोज करा करेगा, सारा ही वापसी लेंगे। ये
क्या देखने को मिलेगा?
अब बड़ा होगा, देखियो 26 तारीख तक बढ़िया परेड निकाल लेंगे। 26 तारीख में बड़ी परेड, दुनिया की ऐतिहासिक परेड निकलेगी 26 तारीख में। 26 तारीख का पर्व है, वो तो देश का पर्व है, उसे बढ़िया मजबूती से मनाएंगे तिरंगा झंडा लगा के।
Well, let's also go across to Neelashish. Now, Neelashish, I believe you can get us some reactions from the farmers. There's another development which has been reported in the top court. The Supreme Court has expressed its concern as far as the large gathering is concerned, given the COVID pandemic situation.
Well, yes, as we were talking about, this is a massive show of strength. But yes, specifically as far as the Supreme Court is concerned, सर अभी थोड़ी देर पहले सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला है कि आप जिस तरह से प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं उसमें थोड़ा बहुत कोरोना का भी दिक्कत हो सकता है। आपको क्या लगता है इस हिसाब से?
नहीं, देखिए, कोरोना की दिक्कत तो हो सकती है, वो मानते हैं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है। मगर ये जो इतनी बड़ी रैलियां हो रही हैं, सरकार की इतनी बड़ी रैलियां, जैसे अभी बंगाल में इतनी बड़ी रैलियां हो रही हैं, क्या वहाँ कोरोना नहीं है? अगर वहाँ कोरोना नहीं तो यहाँ भी नहीं है।
तो आप आगे अपना बढ़ते रहेंगे एकदम पूरे ताकत से, जिस तरह से हम देख रहे हैं इस वक्त?
बिल्कुल बढ़ते रहेंगे इसी तरीके से। हमारे जो भी यूनियन के लीडर हैं, जैसे जैसे हमें वो करेंगे, हम वैसे वैसे आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे।
Well, they are absolutely prepared to carry on with their protests. As we were saying, it is a massive show of strength. In fact, at this point, we are at the expressway, at the Eastern Peripheral Expressway, where there are more than 500 to 600 tractors on the road. They are in fact waiting for more tractors to come. In fact, आपसे एक और बात पूछना चाहूंगा। अभी आज का जो कार्यक्रम है एक ड्रेस रिहर्सल की तरह से है 26 जनवरी के लिए। आप आज का प्रोग्राम क्या है? आप मुझे थोड़ी देर पहले बता रहे थे कि आगे जाके सब मिलने के बाद कुछ प्रोग्राम है।
हाँ, मिलने के बाद में जितने भी बॉर्डर पे किसान हैं सारे इकट्ठा होंगे, उसके बाद में रिहर्सल किया जाएगा। 26 जनवरी की तैयारी की जाएगी इससे।
पर अगर उससे पहले कुछ हो जाए तो उससे आपको कोई उम्मीद है कि 26 जनवरी से पहले कुछ समाधान निकल सकता है?
बिल्कुल, समाधान अगर निकल जाए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। इससे अच्छी बात क्या हो सकती है, बताइए?
Well, there you have it. The farmers here are absolutely prepared to, in fact, stick in for the long haul. They have upped the ante. As far as the Supreme Court is concerned, yes, the farmers are saying, irrespective, we will go on with our protest. And at this point of time, the expressway, a 6-lane expressway, has completely been filled chock-a-block. If I can, in fact, ask my camera person to pan and show you. This massive 135-kilometer long expressway is chock-a-block full right now, with thousands of farmers in hundreds of tractors. There are police officials here as well who have, in fact, who are just here on standby and not really causing any problems or issues to the farmers who are on their way towards Palwal right now.
Right, but due precautions should be taken. The pandemic is still not over. Stay on with us, Neelashish. We also have Mohit Sharma joining us from Badli. Mohit, what is happening there?
Well, Swati, we've currently reached at a midpoint really between Kundli border and Badli. This area is called Kharkhoda, and the visuals really speak for themselves. The protesters here have gathered here in large numbers with tractors. Of course, this was supposed to be a dress rehearsal for 26 January, the Republic Day, and it seems so that, you know, the show of strength that they really wanted to present to the government really is something in which they have been amply successful. On the other hand, I would also like to just pan out and show you these visuals of the magnitude of the tractor parade, really, the numbers in which they've gathered. On both the sides you see tractors and trolleys. It's a parade really that is currently going on. There seems to be some confusion whether to stay here or move further ahead till Kundli, till wherever point they would meet their other protesting partners from Kundli who are also, you know, trying to make towards this way. This was the whole idea, that they wanted to reach to a midpoint, greet each other, and perhaps then return to their respective protesting sites. But right now the visuals really speak for themselves. The pressure tactics really, you know, coming to the fore, being played here from the side of the farmers really. They wanted the government to see that they are not kidding about their schedule of launching a parade on Republic Day into Delhi, and certainly, you know, their ambitions clearly being seen here in these visuals.
To the government, these of course are pressure tactics, one can understand, and definitely happening ahead of the next round of talks is a massive show of strength as well. Thanking all the reporters for now. We're taking a very short break. We'll continue to track these developments and these visuals.